YouTube, what's going on, guys? You guys already know it's your boy 360 Woods, and we back at it up with another haircut tutorial. We see. Look. He's struggling a little bit, overwolfing a little bit. Let's take a look at it. You can see overwolfing a little bit, but it's all good. We about to get him back in the game, so all I gotta say is stay tuned. So when a waver sits in your chair, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and comb out their hair. You're really getting used to their pattern, so then when you go over it with your clippers, you already know which way to go, and you're lifting the hair from the scalp, so then you get a more even cut when you go over it with your clippers. So when my client came in, he really didn't know what number he really wanted. So I looked at his hair texture and I basically judged it, and I was like, you know what, 1.5. And as you guys can see, the waves is popping out the fro. Even though he was overwoofing, the waves is still popping out the fro. But I think this was a pretty good number to go with, just judging and looking at what it was doing to his waves. So all I'm doing right here is I'm debulking with my 1.5 guard. Lever is all the way closed, and I feel like debulking works for me. It makes my job easier in the long run, and when I start to get a little bit deeper into the waves, I open that lever and I start scooping out. It really helps so I don't make too big of a guideline in the head, especially that high up into the waves, because then when you set a guideline that high up in the waves, you got to take it out, which means you're going to have to start chopping some waves off. So that's why I like to debulk. I feel like it's me taking control of my taper or fade. Alright, so of course this is a shadow taper, so that's why I have my 1.5 guard on to set my first guideline in. I take it up as if like you were to have sunglasses on. It's kind of like a low taper, shadow taper type thing. And basically I do that, I take it all the way up with my lever closed, and I open it a little bit, and I just kind of flick at the line a little bit. So now it's time for your second guideline with the 1 guard all the way open. So I open up my lever with my 1 guard, and then I close it, and I kind of flick away at that little faint line that I see. So right here, it's just, I'm doing a little bit of cleanup work. This is all this is right here. I feel like repetition is key when it comes to cutting hair, and if you feel like, you know what, oh, there's still dark spots here, go ahead and slap on some guards, or go ahead and pick up another clipper and use that clipper and see if you can get those dark spots out. But this is basically the same thing that I already showed you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the back taper and this side taper. Alright, so right here what I'm spraying basically everywhere on his lineup is some liquid razor. I kind of got it from my uncle. He's a barber. The link will be down in the description if you guys want to pick some up. This basically helps assist your liners to create that ash line effect, which again would make your lineup seem a lot sharper. But right here's the lineup. I start in the middle like always. I work my way to one side, then I work my way to the other side. Basically kind of just match the side that I already did, and I've always done this and my lineups have never been crooked, so I recommend just trying it out, see if you like it. You guys already know I always got to put my enhancements on there. You know, it makes the client feel good. That's why I do it. But I kind of didn't get the first side, but I kind of got the other side of me doing the enhancements. But like I said, you spray a little bit, remove the cards, you know, because you rather put less on and you're able to put more than you put too much, and then you having to take it all off, and then it doesn't look as good as it could. So that's why, you know, you always check it after so many, you know, seconds of you spraying it on, and then if you have to apply more, go ahead and apply more. So right here, I'm going ahead and putting a little goat drip in his hair, get them waves popping and shining after they've been in that fro for a while. I kind of just rubbed it in my hands. I'm distributing it with the wave, with his wave pattern. But after this, I'm going to go ahead and do that razor over comb method to go ahead and lay down his wave, and also to put a little bit more depth in his waves also. So another method that I do is I take my electric shaver, go with the grain, you know, with his wave pattern, and I kind of just really laying down his waves a little bit more. Alright, so now it's time for the straight razor, and a lot of people ask me, how do you not cut your client? I basically just say, look, pull the skin, lay the razor flat, and let the razor do its job. It's kind of like when you're cutting hair with your clippers, letting the clipper do all the work. You know, you don't really have to push and dig in too hard when it comes to the straight razor. It's sharp enough to where it's gonna cut, and it's gonna cut that hair off for you. So just let the razor just do its thing, and I'm pretty sure 9 times out of 10 you won't nick your client. Alright, so this is the cut. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, because why won't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, comment down below, because you guys already love reading comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah.